Hey everyone, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers America. So today's question, what is the number one mistake that owners make when they're trying to sell their business? So we could talk about a lot of things that we can do, right? So here's what I wrote down. Maybe not keeping books, not building a great team that a buyer would want to buy, not keeping the end in mind, not preparing. There's a lot of things. But let me tell you, hands down, the number one mistake that entrepreneurs make is they stay in the business longer than what they need to, right? They know years ago that they should have exited. They know they've been burnt out for years and years and years, and they just hang on and hang on and hang on. And when they come to us, it is too late. 80% of the owners that call us have hung on to the business too long, and therefore the business becomes unsellable. So there are specific strategies and technologies that you use to avoid all of the mistakes that entrepreneurs make. If you want to know what they are, go to my website, www.rbssells.com. I'll be happy to jump on a call and chat with you.